like a woodwork shop on wheels, but this is only just a truck.
But how did you even, you extended the
No,
frame?
well, I just extend this about 2 feet, and then I cut the box to accommodate this, and then I add this axle to it. This is a free axle, by the way, you know, so this don't carry any drive in it, but it's to balance my trailer. So I set it and I put the tanks on.
Wow.
So I'm not finished. When it's finished,
Can I do a video
yeah,
of it?
no problem.
Thanks, brother. Holy shit. Look at this. Is this a work truck or what? Kind of like gives you an idea. Put those big ass tanks on there. And like you said, it's a free axle. Just the balance. Holy smokes. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Ingenuity. All right. Hope you enjoyed this one.